Welcome YouTubers to my channel, subscribers and all you watching. Thanks for watching. First day of March today. Let's see what we can do. What I'm concentrating on, polishing the muffler protectors, the exhaust heating shields, as you want to call them. So with that being said, it's never been taken apart before. It has a lot of rust on the shimmy screws. I don't know what they are, but it's holding the shields together. So I'm going to derust them. Brush them out with a metal brush. I'm going to show you right now in oil inside that toolbox that you see there. So I'm going to show you the shields in their condition, and I'm going to polish them out too. I might have to go get some power tools depending on how bad of the shape they are. Bear with me guys, enjoy the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to put that in here. Some burnt oil that I have. Let it soak in there. Brush them out. A handy metal toothbrush. Not bad at all in some areas, but that would be just one area, and that wouldn't be next to the manifold screw. That would be all the way out by the baffle exhaust. Or would I say, it would be on the exhaust. You guys get a good view at this. What I'm doing, that's pouring the oil in. Never been brushed off before. I don't want to get oil everywhere, but I do want to bring a good clean. I decided to use the toolbox. Keep all the burnt oil there. If you're asking me how I'm going to extinguish the dirty oil, because we all do love nature and we want to protect it, the same place where I got the burnt oil from. Any motorcycle mechanic garage, or any car repairman garage, Jiffy Lube, they all accept burnt oil. So I'm going to funnel it back out. I have a funnel somewhere here out of the toolbox, and I'm going to pour it back in a 2-liter bottle and give it back to them with a thank you. My partner in crime, helper, the right hand. Don't give a shit about what Barbie's dream utopia is on. She wants to play with the heart. Of course, I'm going to wipe all the oil out before I bring out the power tools. But this is a video just to show you guys, since it can't be edited. with it. How to clean rust. Not how to polish. This is another thing. Not how to polish. That's another video. This is not how to polish this stuff. Not with oil. It ain't gonna happen with oil. It's gotta be dry. It ain't coming off with oil. And it ain't even giving it life, because burnt oil, it's not gonna help aluminum. But the rust, it will prove rust. So what I say, decrude. And there's a lot of it by the exhaust manifold. That's where it all starts from, and then it travels. Rust does live and walk. So if you gotta start, don't worry about it. It's not a big thing. Just get to it before it starts taking off on you. Walking through, going to the other part. It has traveled over here all the way to the third clamp. Hasn't got over here yet. And I wouldn't know that if I didn't open to see it. So you'd be surprised, 1, 2, 3-year-old motorcycles, how much rust, depending on garage status, ways you travel. Others love to ride in the rain. Been watching a lot of videos by MC Rider about riding in the rain. SRK Cycles. He loves to ride in the rain. There's the funnel, if you could see behind me. But I'm going to have to wipe this down. This basically is just to get the screws, not the heavy rust. Remember what I said earlier in my video? I might have to bring the heavy machinery out, depending on this condition. It's an 8mm. You can use a flathead. I use the long flathead screwdriver because of my tip over bar, crash protector. I don't even want to use that one. Yeah, but for the inside here, I'm going to have to go big. All these rusted areas, I'm just going to put some oil on them. Decrude before it rusts out. Now there's a washer in there. I don't know if it's metal or plastic. I doubt it's plastic. It should be metal. That's alright. So I'm going to wash this down too with oil. Stop the rust from crawling and brush it out before it gets any worse. I think that's all for my video. Please leave a comment. Let me know what would you like to know more about. You see the conditions? This is not bad. This is what I'm brushing out right now with the brushing oil. This is all gonna get hit. You see how it doesn't continue that far? Catch it quick, only by the exhaust manifold. Have a good day. Happy spring. Enjoy it. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.